A professionally installed home security system can provide you with peace of mind, protection from intruders and would-be thieves, and also increase the value of your home. Whenever a home security system is installed, the installer will usually post a sign outside your home stating that it is protected by that company's security system. This little feature alone can actually be enough to deter would-be intruders, but there is much more to a home security system than that. If an intruder actually makes it into your home, the alarm is activated by one of the many sensors throughout the home, and an audible alarm will sound. Although the alarm sound alone will usually scare off intruders pretty quickly and reduce the amount of time they're in your home, the system will also notify the security company, who will then confirm there is a problem, then immediately notify the local police. Some systems are also equipped with cameras, so you can record the intruders in action, which can assist authorities in catching the criminals and bringing them to justice. Getting a home security system installed in your home should not be looked at as an expense, but as a smart investment for any homeowner. For example, installing a home security system can reduce your homeowner's insurance by as much as 20% or more. You'll also benefit from a higher resale value of your home and attract more potential buyers. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call or stop by our website for more information. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have about protecting your home and your loved ones.